We're Red Lion Area Junior High School, and we're here at Crescent Industries to learn what's so cool about manufacturing.
Typically, we only do one inspection at a time. We have, the inspections are done by both the operator and a roving inspector. So there will be a press operator that will be inspecting parts, but then every either hour or 2 hours or 4 hours, a roving inspector will take a look at the parts and perform an inspection. If we find a nonconformance or we find a defect, we will typically shut the press down, and then we will go back into our records and find, when was the last acceptable part. So if we know we made good parts at 11 a.m. and then we made bad parts at 1 p.m., we would quarantine everything that was made after 11 a.m.
My name is Tom Crevassi. I am the automation engineer here at Crescent Industries. The degrees that you need to have this, you need to know mechanical, electrical. The one thing about automation engineering is you got to cover the entire area of engineering. There are a lot of jobs such as inspection where you have to be objective. Machines aren't really that objective yet. I know they're working on an AI, which is the artificial intelligence, which hopefully someday we'll get to that point where they can be a little more objective. But right now, the human needs to do a lot of the paperwork.
My name is Kurt Anderson. I'm a mold designer. We have molds that are anywhere from one cavity mold, and we have molds that are 64 cavity, but we have one that's a 64 cavity mold. And so that depends on how many parts our customers need annually. The average is probably 6 to 8 cavities per mold. I'm proud of a lot of what we do. Anytime I can get my hands on something that goes into the military's hands and we can make them a good product that they can use, that makes me pretty proud. When I first started, a lot of guys would come into a shop and they would have a high school education and they'd be apprenticed. More and more I'm seeing where mold designers are getting hired and they have an engineering degree.